Welcome to Sveza Manturovo. Sveza company is a leader of birch plywood production in the world. We produce 1.4 million cubic meters of plywood annually. Sveza includes 7 factories around Russian Federation. Its headquarters located in St. Petersburg. Manturovo factory is one of the oldest plants in company. It was founded in 1915. Over a century, it has been producing plywood of high quality. In 1923, factory made its first international delivery. Since then, plywood from Manturovo is marketable in dozens of countries of the world. Today, over 80% of factory's output is exported. Safety and health of our employees, as well as our guests, is one of the main values in Sveza company. All factories of our company practice unified safety rules. To enter the territory, every person should have electronic admission card. It is forbidden to enter the territory in a state of alcoholic, toxic or narcotic intoxication. Smuggling or using alcohol, drugs and toxic substances is forbidden on the territory. Smoking is allowed only in special places. Using personal protection equipment is obligatory for all staff and guests. Personal protection equipment includes uniform, special boots, helmet, special glasses and earplugs. In main office there is a dressing room for guests where they can borrow personal protection equipment. Use handrails going up and down the stairs. Talking over the phone is forbidden while on the stairs, as well as skipping steps. In production area, use special paths for walking or go left side of roadway towards moving transport. Watch transport signs. Remember, forklifts have preference over pedestrians. The only exception is zebra crossing. Forklift speed in factory area is 10 km per hour and 5 km per hour in production area. There are special mirrors helping control traffic in low vision areas. Near warehouse number 1, there is roadways and pathways crossing. To provide safety of pedestrians, there is traffic lights. Crossing railways is possible only in special places. Walking along railways is forbidden. In production area, people are affected by dangerous and harmful factors such as noise, high temperature, dust and different floor levels. It is forbidden to enter dangerous zone barrier while machines are working. Watch warning signs, inscriptions and light signals. Don't touch open parts of electrical equipment, wires, cables lying on the floor or ground. It is forbidden to open electrical cabins. Correct your way if you see a zone fenced by signal tape. You can enter such zones only if you have special admission. Transport means in production area are a source of increased danger. All forklifts have light signal blue dot for warning about moving forklift. In warehouses there are cranes working. Guests are allowed to enter this area only in presence of factory specialists and in helmets. Don't stay under crane gibbet. It is a must for any member of staff, contractor or guest to stop dangerous actions of any people or inform factory managers if they notice breaking of safety technique, security rules or environmental issues. Start evacuation at the moment you hear fire alarm. Follow green lighted signs exit and movement direction. Assembly point is near gate number 1 marked by similar sign. Dial 112 to call firefighters team. Address to any manager of factory if you got injured or go to medical point situated on the ground floor in main office. If you cannot move, ask any person to call to medical point or dial 112 to call for ambulance. Remember, following instructions you have studied is a guarantee of your safe and successful work at Sveza Manturovo factory. We wish you safety and success.